So I'm getting ready to do my heater cable. What I've learned is basically this unscrews. I've already removed the cables, but this slips out. Then you've got a pin in there that literally just pops through. I've already removed it, where the cable hooks onto it. It literally just screws back on there. And obviously then it runs through the conduits. And I'll show you the cable I've removed quickly. This is a walk-through only cable. I'm not really sure why there's a difference. Maybe it's longer, I don't know. And so it's a different part number. And the cable that I removed is my junk area. It's covered in fluff, but let me just move the fluff. It's obviously, can you see that? And that hooks over that pin. So this was obviously cut at the ends. And yeah, looks like quite an easy job as long as it slips through those conduits.